We are star. Real star. Sorry. It's time. I now declare you Cristiano Ronaldo Machiavelli. What is a Cristiano? All going to know is a football field there. For your sake, I hope the boy don't grow up on the side same like cricket. Come, picture time. Picture time. Rabs, what are going?
You heard the song on the radio?
Yeah, man, you're at Blaze this morning.
Good. And I'm lining up a couple of big shows for you guys. Alright?
And the money?
I have it right here, man. No problem.
Long overdue now.
So, when we count it, it's not a shot.
No, man. Every dollar is there. Daddy Godson is not there.
No, man. That's why I ask. Hold on. Hype.
Hi, Junior.
Hold on a second. Look, we don't have the money for you now. I need that mommy.
I understand that you think it's money I want, but don't try to badmine me when that crook is already in your backyard.
What are you talking about? Only thing in my backyard, a couple goat droppings and one of mommy will shower cap them.
So you think Gravsy did a wait upon the payment all this time?
How you know about Gravsy?
Meet me on the corner, no.
What to the brother star? Yo, we'll go up on the road now. Maka, you good? Clumsy coming to do his verse, so it's PM as well.
Yeah, man. All right. Maka, just cool now, man.
Oh, wait. Now go up on the road, yeah? Grab the Kru still in the studio.
All right. Pass me the drink before you leave, son.
Ready? Keep it on.
That's not what your mother says. Buddy.
Ah, Weddy! You look tasty.
Well, get ready to take a bite out of this one.
So you know the corner?
It used to be my corner. Plus, everybody knows this corner.
So you come for collect your corner?
Why you being so hostile?
Maybe because you show up when I'm a man, trying to be my father.
Look, I'm just trying to have a conversation, and you're going all hype.
Look at old man, talk fast.
Look, I used to do a little bit in the music business just before everything went south for me.
So what? You want to be my manager now?
Look, just cut out the bad man routine, because it don't fit you. And me and you both know, say, you're not bad.
How you know that?
One, because you're not carrying a piece. Two, you move gone uptown. And three, they'd have arrested you already. Bad man.
I know say grabs a thief still. But he's a less thief than most.
How many producers you ever work with?
Well, Sly and Robbie, Steely and Clevey, and the rest me produce myself.
Men like Grabsy can't be trusted.
Neither can men who abandon them children.
All right, I know I had that one coming. And I know I need to earn your trust.
Yes, you do. So, what do you think I must do about Grabsy?
Well, I think you need to replace him with me. All alone?
Why? You're going to give me a heart attack?
With your heart in my hands, it will always be safe. And with me as your man, you'll never be alone.
You're not supposed to be in the studio.
I'm just saying, if I were your man, I would at least take you with me when I go out, you know?
Just move your... Wait.
Innocent Macmillan Benzly Hype. Come on, I said my crew's in the house. What's up? Brooklyn, what's up? What's up? Ladies, what's up? It's your boy Macadocious, put your hands up.
Hey yo, back on the scene, been a star
since 16.
The baby face murderer,
Innocent T.
Don't forget girls with the youth them call.
Hi!
Let me show you what me mean. That the wickedest lyricist any of you ever heard. I've been mucking up the face of myself. Look up on the bird. Like a pepper now your flesh, you know I'm burning every nerve. Let me just surrender right this, I'm moving to every curve.
I said, I met this girl in New Orleans, you know what I mean? The girl can't cook or clean, you know what I mean? Invite me home for ice cream, you know what I mean? Told me she was just 19, you know what I mean? She said that could you know what I mean? Her mom came and started screaming, you know what I mean? Police came with sirens, you know what I mean? Jumped to the window, I got that we clean, you know what I mean?
Yo, man.
I like that.
Yo. Let's make it back to Yo. Sorry, baby.
Why? Mother flu, you know? They're miserable.
Hey, you were supposed to glad that they're right here.
I know, so that. Trust me, man.
Yeah.
It's a baby. They're like tiny criminal wrapped up in cute packages.
Joe. So, Hype, how about your father? We didn't hear from him since Sunday.
Hype! Answer the man now.
That is a kind of single entry kind of affair, you know?
So why would he just appear to disappear, man?
Would you disappear after the scene moment created?
True. Oh,
Your mother. Be still, my beating heart.
my youth. Lou.
Hey, what up, man?
Camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. We get a couple million now, we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money?
Me da buy your house a car.
Me the girls name honey, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky. It really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew.
Me say we better than we better than me. We are them other man. Yes, we are them other man.
We are star. Real star. And everything.
It's official Benzly Hype. Yeah, my bro. I'm a G, bless up, you know. We there, son. You want me and Mi Kru stuff? Just click the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype videos, click the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, click the link here. You understand? This is the official people, so subscribe. One of the new things. You see me, I say, we're there, you don't know. You know, wait for a minute, but we're back. So follow me now. Don't know. See?